Excuse me. Do you have a power outlet I could use to charge my laptop?
Sure. There's one right behind that table near the window. You're welcome to move there if it's free.
Great, let me check. Oh, looks like it's available. I'll move over there now.
Sounds good. Would you like me to bring your drink over to that table?
That would be amazing, thank you.
No problem at all. I'll bring it over in just a minute.
Just to double check. Is it okay if I stay here for a couple of hours to work?
Absolutely, take your time. We've got free Wi-Fi too, if you need it. The password's on the menu.
Perfect. Thanks again for your help.
You're very welcome. Let me know if you need anything else.